Hey YouTube, welcome to the Subprime to Prime YouTube channel. Here, our focus is to get you from subprime to prime, and that all starts with knowing where you want to go on your financial journey. And this is for information and educational purposes only and not intended to be financial or legal advice. Alright, let's get into it. So, in this video, I want to speak on missed opportunities. So, what I mean by that is opportunities you missed because you didn't have the financial wherewithal, you're strapped for cash, you're not able to whip out a credit card and pay for this investment in yourself, or you're feeling that pinch and that pressure of not being able to get it, which brings that added FOMO to the equation, and just kind of overall makes you feel uneasy about it. Now, an investment into yourself is absolutely the best investment I think that you can make. I think we kind of both know that, or you wouldn't be listening and trying to figure out this whole financial situation. And this is just at this point me kind of going back and reiterating that in order to be able to take and seize these opportunities that you absolutely need, this is something that could potentially bring more financial stability. It could bring just more overall income to your financial world. And you're looking at it as if though it's this huge obstacle. It is for some people, it absolutely is. And I won't take that away. That's an absolute issue. But I say that to say this. You have to really, really take the time to get your financial house in order, because there is no one, again, that can do this besides you. And when we're talking about trying to fix and repair a broken credit and financial information, if you don't take away anything from this video other than this, opportunities are afforded to those who have the availability to seize those opportunities. If you don't have the availability to seize those opportunities, it's not for you. And I'm not saying it's not for you forever, just right now it's not. And you have to be able to dive in and do the work that it takes to make sure that you don't miss another opportunity. And that's kind of why I'm on this mission to help people figure out and work through their ideals or thoughts on financial literacy and being able to seize opportunities when they arrive, and not a year down the line, 2 years down the line. But if that's what it takes to get you all the way together so that you can seize them, I mean, it's better late than never. But as far as getting things under control and within your reach, you have to start now. You have to start being able to understand your financial world right now. You have to know what's coming in, what's going out, what can be cut and eliminated, what you can keep, what you can, this isn't like totally depriving yourselves of things that you like or love. It's getting you to the point where you can do those things more often. That's the whole point of this. This is not a game. This is, and when I say that, I mean, it's serious to you. You should take it serious. Because some people would argue the whole life we live is a game, but this is not that. This is not what I'm saying with regards to that. I want for you to understand that if you're going to go after something and you're going to try to seize every opportunity you can, before you can do that, you have to have the availability and the ability to take away from your financial house now so that you can gain more at some later time. That's that delayed gratification that I've spoken about before. You have to be able to really honestly take a look at where you are and really know. You can't guess. You can't just daydream around. You have to really kind of know where you want to be headed. You kind of want to GPS this thing properly and not go by, your old compass of just going with it until I figure out, a landmark that I can make a proper turn into. You're trying to get a precise location. And to do that, you need to understand your credit. You need to understand what you're budgeting for. And you need to make sure you have the proper arrangements set up so that those things kind of work like a well-oiled machine. You have to have everything, as I've spoken before, on auto pay. I know, it's kind of like one of those set it and forget it things, but no, you need to actually check your statements. If you're not receiving paper statements and you're receiving digital ones, you might want to take the time to take a look at those from time to time. Sometimes, computers make errors and things, don't happen in a timely manner, but you want to be on top of it so that you can make the calls that you need to make in order to get, things situated when it comes to that. I mean, you want to try in this day and age to automate as much of it as possible, because it's a lot to have on your plate, with 100,000 passwords and usernames and this, that, and the third. You want to make sure you are in the best possible position to make your money work for you. That's where we're getting to. Eventually, your money will work for you instead of you working so hard for it. That's kind of the point. But we'll get there. We got to get things organized and in order for you first. And then, this video is not one of a novel idea. Just being ready so that you don't have to get ready to seize an opportunity to bring you more income, to bring more financial security, to bring more to your life. I mean, that's freaking priceless. So instead of being in a state of lack and that frame of mind where you can't get something, do the work that it takes to make your financial journey as easy as possible. As easy as possible. You're going to have to do some upfront things now to reap those rewards and benefits later. So understand this. You are in charge of your financial journey, and I want to be there to help guide you in the right direction. So if you like what you've heard, please like and subscribe, and then hop on over to our school platform, Subprime to Prime, where we talk all things financial literacy. Just trying to get your credit together, help you with budgeting, and understanding how this whole thing works so that you can have a better outcome later. Until next time, thank you so much and have a good one. Bye.